and I roll it up, and it looks like this.
Yummy.
Alright. Thank you.
Good, guys. Yum, yum, yum. See that? Do you guys see that? Yum. That's the stuff that we saw in the other two videos.
Thank you. Headed back home from church, and keep thinking about getting something to eat. And then I think about that chicken Cordon Bleu I got sitting in the fridge. So I think I'm gonna wait until I get home.